The Beggar and the Medicine. Bagosendjiged, mashkiki. Years ago, be bebunagaba, we often heard stories about mysterious beggars. Kinwe pichin, kinundana, tabachamo winan, ebeb kanzajik, bagosendjiged, that would come rolling in off the trails, railroad track, or highways. Ga bebe tegun mi kasan, shkodeda bad mikan, mage, chimikanang. They would come walking into the village with only rags on. We know da bemasseok odenang, the giganen etta biskomot. No shoes, hair all over the place. Gawin moccasinan, minjasan akinanguje, with washboard ribs. Win wa da zibiganagep sagak, opiganan. We had an Ojibwe name for these people. Bmade. Ki ayana Ojibwe Nishnaabe Noswin, kundak bmade. Bmade. It means walking hard. Etemingdash bmade. They say animals would shape shift into beggars and roam the earth. Kidok wesiek da anjutsiok nikia bagosendjiged. Meanwhile, me payaok a king. From village to village to remind people of the natural laws of caring and giving for one another. Odenang binish odenang. Weep jemenamot bemad geget nak nagoewinan. Nagadoen jigang minawa migoeng winawa bebejik. They were harmless and held great power of the earth. Yi bekadziok minawa gitin jiganana gitche mashkozi winan monpi akin. Especially when it came to healing. Mendige go api nandwedding. When they came into the village, pi winwa gi bishat otenang. People would wash them, feed them, give them clothes, and a place to sleep. Bematsijik gi zibigna an, shama an, gi minwa and gwinen, minwa guje winbaat. They were very hospitable to them in every way. Winwa gi mino shichgeok, geek a kenagego nikea, and gave them the best they had. Meanwhile, gi minagazwok, menje nishing ga ayamot. Even if they had very little to give, they gave it to the bmade. Thus, we go yamot pungi we miguat, gi minan bmade. There are stories when bmade would touch someone who were deadly ill. Te noon tabach mowenon pi bmade a pi dang nat wea gotcha akasiat, and they got healed. Minwagi nanduegazwok. Or if they visited someone's home, mage gishpin bochwat wea endat. The family got special blessings. Dodum gi depnana gichitwa zegwi wendagunan. I spoke to a 106-year-old Ojibwe elder. Gigadona Godawaksha Nungadawasha Epizit Ojibwe Anshinaabe, and they accredited their long life to bmade during a brief encounter. Minwa Gikidok Winwa Kchamadziatash Je bmade Bungi Giba Kwashkuat. I used to think when giving a beggar on the street some food or money, ginendum ko pi minat bagosendjiged mikanang garden medium mage junia. It was helping them. Now that I am a bit older, gi awan natamodwa. Dash no snipizia. I know it is the other way around. Gikendan awang bunaying awang nikea. The land insists upon generosity. A king yeget shichigewan mino shichigeng, and even goes as far as to teach it to us through beauty and mysterious ways. Meanwhile, Pidemagat Pikchwasa we Knomageng Kinwe Ignajwang Meanwhile Ekenjagadesnuk Nikea.